Welcome to AI Toolkit Online. Now, in this short training, we'll guide you through what's called the AI editor. That's going to be your tool for generating professional content in seconds. To get started, log into your dashboard, head directly to the AI editor section here. Now, this is where you can create content that's specifically tailored to your specific needs. There are over 140 pre-designed templates we created to make your life easier. So, first, customize your content by selecting the type of content you want to create, whether it's an email, social media post, or a blog. You can adjust the tone and the length to fit your exact requirements. So for kicks, let's go down here towards the bottom. Let's select miscellaneous and then explain to a child. The explain to a child feature is taking a complex, uh, something that's really complex and has the AI really generate sort of an easy to explain result to the person that you're wanting to reach out to. So what you do is enter your prompt here in the input prompt, explain the theory of rel relativity, if I can spell it right. I'm sure I didn't spell that right. You identify what language, the maximum length, the creativity. You can also do premium. Good is usually good enough, and the tone of voice. If you're creating comedic content, you'll want to make it funny and so on. But for the purpose of this video, let's do professional. Let's go ahead and generate. Watch as the AI creates polished, ready-to-use content in seconds. Now, you can refine the content or the output by using the editor, or you can regenerate sections for a fresh perspective. It's quick, it's easy, and it's adaptable. So you have a menu screen that's very similar to a lot of the documents like Word, etc., that you use on a daily basis. And once you're satisfied, you just save the contents to the documents section for future use, or you can export it directly for sharing. To share, you can copy to clipboard, you can print, and you can save to Microsoft Word, PDF, or HTML. So with the AI editor, creating professional content has never been easier. So just log in now and start exploring.